In this video, we listed the 5 best 3D printers on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. ANYCUBIC Kobra 3 Max. The ANYCUBIC Kobra 3 Max combo is a high-performance 3D printer featuring an impressive printing volume of 420mm x 420mm x 500mm, allowing for the creation of large-scale models with ease. It boasts a maximum printing speed of 600mm per second and utilizes FDM technology, compatible with various filaments such as PLA, TPU, ABS, and PETG. The printer is equipped with advanced features including automatic leveling with LeveIQ 3.0, a 4.3-inch LCD control screen, and a dual Y-axis motor designed for enhanced stability. Its smart functions, like active filament drying, automatic filament reloading, and real-time monitoring, ensure efficient and high-quality prints. With a robust build, CE certification, and a user-friendly interface, the Kobra 3 Max is ideal for both hobbyists and professionals looking to streamline their 3D printing processes. Number 2. ANYCUBIC Kobra 3 Combo Multicolor FDM 3D Printer. The ANYCUBIC Kobra 3 Combo is a versatile 3D printer designed for high-speed, multicolor printing, capable of operating at speeds up to 600mm per second. It features an ample print size of 250mm x 250mm x 260mm and employs FDM technology, supporting various filaments like PLA, PETG, and TPU. The printer is equipped with advanced functionalities such as automatic leveling, LeveIQ 3.0, real-time monitoring, and a dual heating system that keeps filaments dry during printing. With its innovative ANYCUBIC Color Engine Pro, users can print in 4 to 8 colors, enhancing creative possibilities. The Kobra 3 Combo is user-friendly, featuring a simplified setup, silent operation, and an intuitive touchscreen, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced users. Its robust design and smart features ensure high-quality prints while minimizing issues like filament entanglement and obstructions. Number 3. ZONESTAR Z8PM4PRO. The ZONESTAR Z8PM4PRO is a DIY 3D printer kit designed for high-precision printing with a maximum print size of 300 by 300 by 400mm. It supports a variety of filaments, including PLA, ABS, ASA, and PETG, and features a 4-in-1-out hot end that allows for color mixing and multicolor printing. With a precision of 0.01mm and an auto-leveling bed, it ensures consistent quality in prints. The printer operates at speeds of up to 100mm per second and is compatible with multiple slicing software, including Prusa Slicer and Cura. Additional features include automatic print resume after power outages, a dual Z-axis system, and a robust aluminum frame for stability. The Z8PM4PRO also offers optional upgrades like a filament runout sensor and Wi-Fi control, making it a versatile choice for both hobbyists and experienced users seeking to enhance their 3D printing capabilities. Number 4. Creality 3D Ender 3v3 SE 3D Printer. The Creality Ender 3v3 SE is a high-performance FDM 3D printer that features a maximum print size of 220 by 220 by 250mm and supports a variety of filaments, including PLA, PETG, and TPU. It boasts a maximum printing speed of 250mm per second and an acceleration of 2500mm s², significantly enhancing efficiency while maintaining print quality. The printer is equipped with automatic leveling technology, CR Touch, which simplifies setup by measuring and adjusting the bed height at multiple points. Its robust design includes a dual Z-axis for stability and a Sprite direct drive extruder for smooth filament feeding. With a user-friendly interface supporting multiple languages and compatibility with various slicing software like Creality Print and Cura, the Ender 3v3 SE is an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced users looking for reliable and versatile 3D printing solutions. Number 5. ANYCUBIC Kobra 2 Pro 3D Printer. The ANYCUBIC Kobra 2 Pro is a high-speed FDM 3D printer that boasts impressive capabilities, featuring a maximum printing speed of 500 mm per second and a recommended speed of 300 mm per second. With a print size of 250 by 220 by 220 mm, it supports various filaments, including PLA, TPU, ABS, and PETG. The printer is equipped with advanced features such as automatic leveling, ANYCUBIC 2.0, a powerful 1.2 GHz processor for rapid command execution, and a vibration compensation system to enhance print quality. Its optimized direct drive extruder and cooling system ensure precise filament delivery and quick cooling, reducing layer lines. The Kobra 2 Pro also supports smart app control for remote monitoring and management, making it user-friendly and efficient for both beginners and experienced users. With its innovative design and robust performance, this printer significantly reduces printing time while maintaining high-quality results.